Alright, in this quick win lesson, we're going to look at not only an interesting grammar structure, but also a very simple one. So let's have a look. Look at this man here. What can we say about him? Do you think he's intelligent? Yeah, I think so. Do you think he's good looking? Yeah, I think so too. So we can say he is good looking. Do you think he is stylish? Yeah, I think so too. I think he's very stylish. So look here, we've got he is intelligent, he is good looking, he is stylish. We've got 3 sentences, but it would be more interesting if we could join those 3 sentences and just make one sentence. So let's have a look at our grammar structure for today. That structure is not only, but also. So this is a grammar structure we can use to make a sentence with 2 nouns or 2 adjectives. So you might be wondering, hey Shane, what do we put here? What do we put here? Well, at the top here, we can put a noun or an adjective. Down here, we also put a noun or an adjective. So if we look at our example from before, we said he is intelligent. So that can be our first word. He is not only intelligent. Now, what else did we say about the man? We said he's good looking and stylish. So we can put good looking and stylish in the second gap. He's not only intelligent, but also good looking and stylish. So I hope you can see that this is a much more interesting way to describe the man. Also, if you're taking an IELTS test, using this grammar structure will show the examiner that you can use more complex English. Now, this grammar structure means that these things, intelligent, good looking, and stylish, are all true. We are saying he's intelligent. We are saying he's good looking. We are saying he is stylish. I know we have the word not, but when we use this structure, it means all of the things we have talked about are true. Now, note here that in these spaces, you can really put anything you want. You don't just have to put a noun or an adjective, but in the lesson today, we are just focusing on nouns and adjectives. For example, you could say they are not only going to Las Vegas, but also to California. So after only, we've got a verb ing. So there are many different ways to use this structure, but in today's video, we're just talking about nouns and adjectives. So here are some more examples. Repeat after me, please. She is not only a mother, but also a doctor. This means she is a mother, she is a doctor. They are not only strong, but also extremely kind. That means they are strong and extremely kind. The man is not only funny, but also very intelligent. Same again, this means he's funny and intelligent. The woman not only wants a new phone, but also a new bag. So in this one, I've used a verb. So that means this is true. She wants a new phone. Yes, true. And she wants a new bag. Both of these things are true. And finally, this place is not only cheap, but also very clean and modern. So that means, yes, it's cheap, but it's also very clean and modern. Okay, now it's your turn to make some sentences. So make some examples with not only, but also on the following topics. Yourself, a friend, your favorite restaurant, your mobile phone, and finally, this academy. Make some sentences, post them in the feed, post them in the forums, or post them down below, and I can't wait to see your sentences.